Hi there, my name is Rebecca Studard and I am the Senior Administrator here at Certum Solutions. And today I want to talk to you about Shopify. Are you a business owner looking to launch your e-commerce venture or expand your existing online store? Look no further than Shopify. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform with a range of features and tools to help you run and grow your sales channels. In this video, we will explore 10 ways Shopify can support your business and why it's the go-to solution for many small businesses worldwide. Number 1, setup is a cinch. With Shopify's user-friendly interface and the assistance of the Certum Solutions team, getting set up on the platform is a breeze. You can easily customize your online store by choosing from over 100 ready-made themes, adding your logo, and matching your brand colors. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even edit the HTML CSS code for more personalization. Number 2, managing products and inventory. Shopify simplifies product management by allowing you to add, edit, and organize your products with ease. You can quickly input product details, pricing, and images. Plus, you can manage inventory levels and set up efficient workflows for order processing. And if you're interested in drop shipping or wholesale integration, Shopify's Handshake wholesale network and drop shipping vendors make it easy to expand your product offerings without having to handle inventory or shipping yourself. Number 3, connecting sales channels. Shopify enables you to connect various sales channels, including social media accounts and marketplaces, to reach a wider audience. By integrating these channels, you can manage all your sales and customer data from a single location, streamlining your e-commerce operations. And with the recent addition of the Twitter shopping feature, Shopify merchants can showcase products and drive sales directly from their Twitter profiles. Number 4, selling in person with Shopify POS. If your business participates in events like pop-up shops or operates brick-and-mortar stores, Shopify's point-of-sale system is perfect for you. With wireless hardware and mobile POS solutions, you can sell products in person while maintaining real-time inventory synchronization with your online store. And thanks to the Tap to Pay on iPhone feature, U.S. merchants can accept in-person payments without a traditional POS system, making it easier for small businesses to explore physical retail sales. Number 5, payment and shipping solutions. Shopify simplifies payment processing with Shopify Payments, allowing you to accept credit card and PayPal payments seamlessly. This eliminates the need for setting up third-party payment processors and ensures secure transactions for both you and your customers. Additionally, Shopify provides built-in tools and integrations with popular shipping carriers, making it easy to set up shipping methods, fees, and applicable sales tax information, simplifying your e-commerce logistics. Number 6, boosting sales with marketing features. Shopify includes a range of marketing tools to help you attract and retain customers. You can employ targeted email marketing and abandoned cart recovery strategies to re-engage potential buyers who left items in their shopping carts. And with social media integration and support for Google and Facebook ads, you can promote your products on popular platforms and reach a wider audience to boost sales. Number 7, customer management and CRM tools. Shopify provides customer relationship management tools to help you better understand and cater to your customers. With detailed customer profiles, you can track purchase history and preferences to personalize each person's shopping experience. And with the integration of non-fungible tokens into the platform, you can offer exclusive merchandise or access to events for select customers, fostering a strong sense of community around your store. Number 8, comprehensive reporting and analytics. Shopify's reporting and analytics tools give you valuable insights into your store's performance and inventory management. You can identify best-selling products, peak business hours, and other crucial data to optimize your e-commerce operations. Additionally, Shopify includes search engine optimization features and digital marketing analytics to help drive traffic to your store, ultimately boosting sales and revenue. Number 9, mobile management with Shopify Mobile. With Shopify Mobile available for iOS and Android devices, you can manage your e-commerce business from anywhere. Receive order notifications, fulfill orders, and update inventory and product information directly from your phone or tablet. If you have a mobile app for your business, Shopify also offers mobile SDKs for iOS and Android, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your e-commerce store into your app, providing a unified shopping experience for your customers. Number 10, reliable infrastructure and security. Shopify guarantees a 99.94% uptime, ensuring that your online store always remains accessible to customers. The platform automatically installs updates to keep your store up to date with the latest features and security measures. And speaking of security, Shopify takes data security seriously with daily backups, 24/7 monitoring, and level 1 payment card industry compliance. Your business and customer information are safe and protected with a 256-bit SSL certificate. Now to get set up with Shopify through Certum Solutions. Shopify is a robust, feature-rich e-commerce platform that can help small business owners run online stores more efficiently. By offering a wide range of tools and integrations, Shopify provides a comprehensive e-commerce solution. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, the team at Certum Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us today by email or by booking a consultation. We'd love to get you set up for success. Thank you for watching.